Jilo, you know me. I've been fighting this issue for the past 3 years, and last year, there's a small band in Persarali. There are no proper culverts that have been built. Garbage is a very acute problem plaguing Persarali for years. एक साइड फोड आहा ट्रेडिशनल फोड आसा तेतून उदो वयता तेतून तेच्या पास जाईन दुसरी साइडीन वचना एंड दॅट इज कनेक्टेड टू द सराउंडिंग करेंट एवरीवेयर एल्स तू जाणा I been fighting this issue. I have addressed this issue, I think, even when you were Sarpanch, what's the name, the ever elusive Sarpanch Hato. So last February 24 na kita tumhe resolution घेतले about CCTVs. Now the main idea behind installing CCTVs is to deter people. There are people from Persarali here. There's the Panch, Alina. I've confronted her on a friendly basis. There are so many people here. We are facing this problem. आता ते CCTVs तुम्ही last year resolution घेतले किती काय guideline किती हांव तुका सांगता हे कितें जाता जाणा हे प्रॉब्लम कितें जाता सगळे आतां आय थिंक विदाउट केन्ना ते मे हांव जाणा पीपल आर डंपिंग एनिमल वेस्ट आनी वर्कर आहाय ते काडपाक तयार जाले ओ विदाउट आय सीन अलिना दे आर वर्किंग हार्ड टू डू दॅट थिंग कोणाय न्हू दे आर डुईंग बट ते वर्कर काड नाही कितें करपाचें चिकन वेस्ट इंटेस्टायन्स ऑल एनिमल वेस्ट. This is in just little everywhere. Just that I wish earthworms, cows or dogs could digest plastic. That's why now. आणि किती करपाचें. So आता कितें ना तुमचे CCTV कित्याक घायला नाही. I mean, what is the reason? You know, I think the last Saturday you all have taken a resolution. You all have taken a resolution. At least some places. I think the worker आहे ते काढून कोणाय because पुसवता जिलो. दुसरी म्हणा problem कितें. I don't have to mention. They are under the guise of supermarket. People are running wholesale liquor outlets. There is not a specific liquor outlet under the guise of supermarket. A 20 square meter shop cannot be categorized into a supermarket. They katai, they think of matai, and all these blue specific. Let me be very specific. It's the blue typical glass. Ogla hotel. Tu kopas panaka. They are कितना है रात को एक का दोना तो को कोना कोना पर्सनली कोई सर I don't have to be specific I won't tell you तो हम कोना बोले थे सॉल्व नहीं जाता यानी गुंडागिरी not going sir not people from Persarali from somewhere else not from Persarali from someone else they are threatening passerbys you cannot question them we are under siege there because आम्ही Persarali जाऊन सगळी बाहेर येतात आणि हे सगळी होत आहे. To tell you as a matter of fact, look, they are openly defecating there. Now no one is going to go and see like who is defecating there. You can distinguish it because by the stench of the human excreta. Sogna kota munshaki daste. This is what is happening. I personally, you can ask Vidal.
आमच्या गावच्यान नाही ना बाळमेट तुका सगळे आमच्या गावचो लोक त्या भाड्यान जाता मागीर त्या गोट्यान म्हणटा तुला फोकस वाटी म्हणटाय आमच्या गावच्या लोकांचे पण मिस्टेक आमच्या आमच्या लोक फर्स्ट टाइम भाड्यान जाताय आनी मागीर ते रजिस्टर जावन म्हणटा ताका वोटींग येता आख्खे गांव आमगेल्या लेवेंगू न्हू सगळे आमच्या दुकानी आख्ख्या लोकांक भाड्यान जाता फर्स्ट टाइम तेजे उलय आमगेल्या म्हणजे फर्स्ट टाइम आमगेल्या दिताले आनी वोटींग कोण जाता आमगे सरपंच पांच ते जाताय तेंच जाताय आमच्या लोकांक धरय.
So how did you do? Konen doru, Panchan doru, Ayan doru, Konen doru. We verify if they are not residing, they should be eligible to be deleted. Yeah. So what Mario says is, Tom, Ami dole, Am pada Buklagol mund gala bada dole. He doesn't get the right to enroll himself in 2 election rules. Anyway, and that is what I say. So you don't get my election in Karnataka. I am voting So this is the process. Please write a good resolution. If you can draft and please share. will write to the election commissioner and write to the BLO. The second thing is the BLO. So, आमचे गांवचे वॉर्डांतले BLO आमचे वॉर्डांत आसपास आहे. हिंगा BLOs are appointed cross. हे वॉर्डांतलो काटा ती वयता आणि ती वॉर्डांतलो आहा तो हिंगा, which is a wrong process followed. According to my knowledge, I could be wrong, but where there is local representation, such things will not happen. And we want part number 10 BLO to be in part number 10 and proper verification. So आमकां ही डेमोक्रेसी दिल्या, आमी 10 जाण आहे, ते आहे 15 जाण, आम केलको नाही कोण हे डेमोक्रेसी, तेगे 15 वोट पूण हांव जिखतलो. येता आनी दुसरी आमकां दोगन कोतायतात. And this is happening not only in Sarauli, it's happening everywhere. And it is taken by the Congress leadership, which is good. And I think throughout the state it should happen. एक party के इंतजाम है. Thank you.
These trucks coming and going. This is linked. Now, Sarauli was in the news of unloading subhuman fish not meant for human being unloaded there. Those fish trucks were supposed to go to the fish plant, but they unloaded there, cleansed it with the dirty water and sold it. And our villagers have also eaten. Now, at present, I think one day when health department had come, we had pointed to the police. Police happened to be there. We had pointed to the police, Baba, so it got truck with Konamato. He's back to back. He's come the wrong side and back to back. He's loading, unloading from one truck to another. This could be tracked by the AI camera. One. Number two, what steps have we taken? At present, I can't see any people selling fish there. Have we taken any steps to ensure that in the future this will not happen? There is even a gada there, illegally put. How can we ensure that this will not happen? Now, that place has been filled, land has been filled to get the trucks, whatever, through. Can it be reinstated to the original position, that area, so that no truck can enter from the highway there? Just look into that matter. We don't want to get into the news for the wrong things. And regarding this, I have got videos of that from abroad. It's a shame to say, Sugal Muslim time. And I think the next one is regarding the vote theft. That has already been discussed. But I think we should write that the BLO should be checked. And if this BLO was in the past, we should not be taken as a BLO again. Have a new person there. That is not a checked.
On which side of it? You're going to make him, yes.
If you are going to Panjim, yes. If you are going to Kangon, no. If you are coming from Vietnam, you can carry on over. But to get into Sarauli, you take that service road. But what is happening at present? Kal, I was coming and a huge truck comes the wrong side. The fish wholesale market has the first turn it takes. Think turnache already board aha. Signpost aha, no entry mode. The truck hoida. And are we waiting for something serious to happen? Number two, when you are going to Panjim, you take this road, but we have trucks coming this way. Who are those trucks? They're the same color trucks, same people. They come for loading and unloading of fish, etc., etc. They come the wrong way, they stop there.
I like the proposal being made there. Very good idea. Can we write to the traffic cell to set up 2 cameras to capture the traffic going there with AI? artificial intelligence, whereby everything gets synced and you get a direct ticket. And once a particular vehicle is being, we need notification of if there are any major commercial vehicles. If any commercial vehicles, especially fish trucks, a notification needs to come to the panchayat. Very good idea. Very nice idea. You require a traffic police. We will get a traffic police, get the traffic cell to set up a camera with AI, artificial intelligence, and we want a record of how many wrong violations get done there. Okay?
So
Another thing.
involve the traffic cell of village panchayat.
Police camera देना. Very good idea. Thank you.
की ग्रामसभान सगळ्यांनी मिळून रिझॉल्व केला की रिसर्वे re-verification of election roll of entire village and this request will go to election commissioner along with the आमचे AR म्हणजे assistant returning officer हांगा. This is the resolution.
I think it looks very general, but he has specified certain words.
Yes,
Kevin, is that what you expected? Also the word like
you want to specify for that what will be level 12. No, but finally he has said कि resurvey for entire village, not only for
No,
specific.
I don't think so. That's fine. But general जे order vote add झाले. Okay, it's a great injustice against us who are voting. Okay, action into it, and we need to know what is going to be the next step. Because we are not fools to come here, Kevin. Please make it very clear.
So what I say is there are two aspects. There can be resource crunch. If resource crunch is there, I have been very specific in my proposal, saying that it's 11 and 13. If there is no resource crunch, we know that it is happening all over the village. Yeah? So just draft a resolution saying that this village we have seen
We can say कि this is already noticed.
visually noticed.
So part number 11 and 13.
Yes.
But we want resurvey for entire village.
No, you start with the two words first. You start with the two words,
Okay.
then you extend it. We don't want to do all the other words and leave this word.
Sir, can we include with proper scrutiny to these two words, okay? Whether these people are there present, and we want the total detailed data and correction.
I think the survey is already started.
Because that's fine, Kevin has put up the point, but we all
I mean, the survey is already started, I think.
We are concerned.
we all are
Sincerely on it.
Now, what is the problem? Is it the main problem or other local problem?
म्हणून गेले
Local problem or main problem?
ठिकाणी चालू
But with regarding to water, can the panchayat initiate a small survey? Okay, for each punch member do this survey. Go and find out how many of the people are getting consistent water. Okay, collect data. Find out how many people are actually getting water, at what frequency, at what timing. Okay, what frequency, what timing. Find out whether everybody is not getting water, or it is only till a certain point people are getting continuous water, and then after a particular point nobody is getting water. Do the study, collect the data, collect the information, understand where the problem is. You may have to find out whether there is a blockade in the pipe, or there is some complex or something just chewing out all the water, such that people upstream are not getting any water. Each punch member needs to do this data, collect this information. My proposal is each punch member should go house to house, or send something, collect the information, understand what is really the problem. You can't say we have written letter. This is groundwork. You can't expect PWD to go house to house and find out nothing. Unless if everybody writes a letter. This panchayat is supposed to work on ground level. This is grassroots level. You work grassroots level so that you can go upward. If you don't have the information, you want to be able to give the information, you will be sending only letters to everybody without any data backing you.
Am I right or not?
एमएलए देखो सांगले तो को तें सांगला का पिता पिता को या मुकेन क्या ना
But that is the problem with the.
everybody MLA को ये जाके गाना कौन चलना
But I will north to south, even on the western side. I think that water, somewhere, underpass there is no drainage that side also. The partner can't balance over. I think it is a complete failure as far as the drainage system is concerned. Joint inspection beginning, but just highlight the drainage which is not connected.
That is already considered, I think.
So, on my personal note, I spoke to PWD, and PWD has told me that a 20 lakh tender for exclusive drainage is proposed. How and what, I don't know. The design, I don't know. But it is going to touch the 40, the big 40.
It is only being postponed continuously. And the latest to that is, I had given a complaint regarding the rails being brought and dropped there. And I have given the letter even to the...
That is there in your proposal.
Yeah, but this is regarding that same matter. I have given that letter also to the court to say that this job is being done, and when that is being still pending, the case is still pending regarding the work that the survey thing. Why are they doing additional work? Because this is only postponement to do something. This is what we feel, or what I feel. And well, that's it.
शेतात लेवल आहे 2.5 फीट वयर आहा सो ती ड्रेनेजच्या उदक तितून भितर शेतांतल्यान भायर सरना कित्याक ती आसा भितर तेका लागून ती उदक बंद रावता सो दोन सोल्युशन आहाय म्हणटा ती पण दोन सोल्युशन आहाय म्हणटा ती ते रबर घालून ते लेवलाचेर हाडटल्यार ते उदक थिंगा वरपा शकना सेकंड थिंग मुगे हेशे सजेशन थिंग समस्या तर पंप घालो कनेक्शन गेलो आनी ते उदक भायर मारल्यार ते सोल्युशन सॉल्व जाता 100% मुगे भाशेन सोल्युशन म्हणटा तेका समस्या पंप घालपाचो मुगल निर्देश करून आनी तेजे उदक थिंगा वॉटर लेवल भायर मारपाचें सो ते उदक इतू फसलें ना सो ते 2.5 फीट भितर ते ड्रेनेज भितर मारलो आहा सो सगळे ते ड्रेनेजच्या भितर उदक वता आनी ते उदक त्या लेवलाचेर वता
See, this is something which was already discussed. I want to reiterate, saying that आम्ही गेल्या फाटी म्हणलोले आमच्या गावात इतले उदक इतले इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेट जायना आमचे रस्ते आहाय ते बारीक आहाय आमी रावताय ते त्रास जाते सो रॅम्पंट आमगेली आतां जायती कन्स्ट्रक्शन चलते आमगे गांवची भुरी बांदताय दॅट इज डिफरंट म्हळ्यार भायली हावसिंग कॉम्प्लेक्सीस बांदताय वीच इज इनफ्लक्स
कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटीज आमी ऑलरेडी फॉरवर्ड केल्ले आनी हो पॉयंट म्हाका दिसता असेंब्लीनी डिस्कस जाला आनी मिनिस्टर एज एश्युरन्स की स्टार्ट कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटी सर्वे
सो आम धाडटे कोणा धाडला डीसीपी धाडला आनी
DCP, Power Department, Water Electricity Department, and Water Supply.
And Chief Secretary. So if this is addressed, then please send a reminder if you can. Yeah, follow up on that. Promotion of solar energy.
Last time we resolution given, we had sent it to this the government and any program subsidy. So now we already sanctioned again. Government is giving 3 lakh subsidy for this solar for house. Even SBI is giving loan also for the rest of the amount with some coming rate of interest. Some scheme is already started by the government last few days.
So policies there. आमगे drill down policy म्हणायची आता आमगे cabin बांधिता म्हणतो गॉर. Cabin गॉर बांधता म्हणतो. There is no implementation of making provision of solar panels on the roof. Why that the government cannot enforce? तुम policy को देगा. Drill down the policy down. No, when you're building a house or a complex, then why cannot find provision? Can we as Panchayat Gram Sabha propose for our village? Can we propose?
Can propose and send.
No, if you all adapt. Implementation. See, there is central policy. The state government has already said yes, we want solar energy and we want to promote. Now there is no rules saying that you all will have to make a provision.
There is no compulsion.
Yeah, there is no compulsory. Why they are not making that compulsory? Power is a problem. आमका तुम्ही आण आमगे विलेजिंग घालता. So why the panchayat cannot say you have to put, we will give you some X amount of exemption if you put solar. This should be the way forward, no? It's not the money we want. We want proper electricity for us.
Yeah.
Uda Zain. So let's not debate, but let's talk about solar only. So if everyone agrees, can we say that the panchayat should enforce solar roofs or provision? When new houses constructed, not the existing house.
I want to say something about water.
So that's on solar. Hamge panchayat, can you please update us on the panchayat, please?
Panchayat, meeting the consultant. So we are already started the process of e-tendering. We will be sending a file within this week for a NIT approval. Once NIT approval, then we go for e-tendering for process of appointing consultant. So this is the first step.
So budget allocation does after e-tendering, so after consultant is come on board, then only when
See, now process we have started, resolution given. Now we have to send a file for the higher authority, executive engineer or POBs for taking the approval for tendering. Once that approval comes, then we go for e-tendering for appointing the consultant.
who designs the structure and rooms
So consultant appointment, we have to
according to our requirement?
we have to give him over the requirement. Based on that, he will design.
So please ensure that
Yeah.
proper people are involved so that
That is a open tender. So on a
no,
go
when you're designing, why I'm saying is if the design is wrong,
then you can come in conversation.
see, we have a development committee, all the development committee, keep them to so that we get proper
Proper infrastructure.
yeah, so that we start right, so that we finish right.
Since new building, what about solar energy for the panchayat?
इंजिनियरिंग म्हळ्यार आमचे वोटिंगा लागून मेन प्रॉब्लेम ते आहले वोटिंगा कितें प्रॉब्लेम जालो थिंगा 11 वॉर्डां आनी 13 वॉर्डां आनी तो इश्यू आमी आतां चीफ ताका हें केला धाडटा आमी आनी ते फॉलो अप करता तेंगे न्हू तें आमी रेजल्यूशन घेयलो आहा
आणि गार्बेज कितें इशू
गार्बेज इशू सगळें सॉल्व आहा हें जालां गार्बेज इशू हेजे वयर कांय ना सगळें बरे भाशेन जालो आहा
पूण लोक गार्बेज रोडाचेर
हें कोतालो म्हळ्यार आं सगळ्यांक घेता आमी गार्बेज डोर टू डोर कलेक्शन आहा
सबवे कितें प्रॉब्लम
थिंक मातशें प्रॉब्लेम जाला त्या वयल्या चडपाक मातशें प्रॉब्लेम जाता रॉंग सायडीन वयता आनी मातशें तें थंयच पडलें तें कित्याक
हे सबवे उदक भरता ते
हय ना सारकी म्हणजे वयचें म्हणटा
हे हांगा सुरावलेच्यान अंडरपास
अंडरपास अंडरपासान ते आमी थंय येता युएनसीक आमी कितले फाटी हाडलो थिंगा ताणें दाखयला ताका PWD इल्ले ते आनी तेणी इन्स्टिट्यूट घेत म्हणून सांगिल्ल्या घेता
नांव कितें तुगेलें
म्हजें नांव दोमिंगोस फेर्नांडीस एक्स सरपंच आनी 5 मेंबर